This was meant to be. This is where everything changed. I took a leap of faith and found my passion.
Yeah. Oh, shit. I go smoke the ganja until I go blind. You gonna say I the ganja all the time. Pass me the ganja, give me brown Rizella. Pass me the ganja, light me up so I take me over the clouds so I fly me up, oh up so I till I find myself talking with the most I. Something say me I don't demand do why.
So I've had my Sony ZV-1F since October. I bought it, I believe, October or September. I bought it specifically for my birthday trip. And then I just got my DJ Pro. So this is the DJ Pro. Which one do I prefer working with? I actually like them both for different reasons. For my DJ Pro, which is the camera that I'm using right now to record this, I really like how flexible it is. It's very easy for you to just pull it out and just press. For my Sony, it's a little bit, like it's also easy, but it's just heavy. Like it's just heavy. But I actually don't mind carrying both of them. The only problem I have carrying both of them is like my purse space. Like I don't have space in my purse for both of them. And for my DJ Pro, the case is so big that I also have an issue with it in my bag. So if you're gonna get these cameras and if you want to move around, get a bigger purse. I get a case for your cameras that is portable, that you can wear it out and everything. That is also cute, you know, like if you want to look cute. The quality, I would say that the DJ Pro has a better quality, but I like my Sony because of the soft skin effect. And I think I could put the soft skin effect for the DJ Pro. I just haven't learned how to do it. Like, I just don't know how to do it. But it took me a really long time to learn how to move. Like right now, like it's moving as I'm moving. It took me a long time to figure this out. I was struggling at first, but if you watch YouTube videos, like I watched a few videos that were very, very good, and I learned how to maneuver and how to work with this camera, both cameras. And the new settings I have for this camera, can you believe that I was about to sell this camera because I was like, I'm getting my DJ Pro, I won't need this no more. But guys, I'm even planning on getting a Canon G7X. That's my dream camera. It's $1,000 or $1,200. I'm going to invest in myself and I'm going to get that camera because it's good for pictures. The quality is good, and I feel like I need to improve my pictures. So yeah, so these two cameras, picture wise, I haven't really taken a picture and posted it on Instagram. I don't use it for pictures, it's strictly for vlogs. So if you want these cameras for pictures, I don't know what to tell you because I'm not using it for that. Being in public though, the DJ Pro is easier because people don't really notice that you have a camera out. Like it's not really noticeable, like it's so small. But if I brought this out, people will know like, oh, she has a camera. Yes, it doesn't have the flash, which means that you can use this in a lot of restaurants, but it's just more revealing. But for the DJ Pro, I just pull it out. Like it's quick. It's kind of not quick though. This is kind of quicker than the DJ Pro. The only reason why the DJ Pro is like easier is because of how small it is. But as far as the camera, you have to press for it to turn around to get whatever angle that you wanted to record. That's kind of like something that I don't like about it, because sometimes I miss the moment because I'm waiting for the camera to turn around towards me. And yeah, the Sony ZV-1F was $445. I got it from Instacart. I got it delivered to my house, and I ordered the SD card from Amazon. And I kind of don't know how to like show SD cards or anything, but if you just Google or YouTube what SD card you need for this camera, it's going to pull up. If you just research what SD card you need for the Sony ZV-1F, you're going to find it. There's a lot of information out there, and they're gonna tell you which one exactly to get. For the DJI camera, I got it from Best Buy for, I believe it was, I didn't get the creator combo. Since I didn't get the creator combo, I think I spent $550. Yeah, just save $600. To be honest, if you want to improve your skills and stay in a budget, get the Sony ZV-1F. There's this girl on YouTube that the settings that she has for this camera, it's made it top tier. Like, I love this camera now. Like, it works for me like a Canon G7X, and I don't even have a Canon G7X. So I would invest in a Sony first, and then I'll invest in the DJ Pro. But if you just want to go right away, like the big dog, get a DJ Pro, because that is just like, it's easy for everything. It's for everything. And pictures on the DJ Pro, I actually like it. I just haven't like put my mind to it to take pictures on this camera, but the camera is perfect. The video is perfect. The sound also is good. Like, I think it's silenced like the background noise so you can hear yourself clearly. But yeah, that's basically it. This is just very quick my experience with this cameras. I know that when I was looking and searching for people that have this cameras, like, I would have loved a video like this just to see how it looks. So I left my keys in here and they just had to help me. Oh my god, what? How can I leave all my stuff? Thank you.